Hi friends, this is day 8 of the Christmas craft series and you're watching Amina Creations. Today I'm making a greeting card for Christmas. For this I've taken a piece of chart paper. I have mentioned the dimensions below. Then using a permanent marker, draw as shown. Cut along the outline. Next, take a piece of red color paper and glue it inside as shown. Then take a piece of green color paper, fold it into half and draw as shown. We are making a Christmas tree here, and then cut along the outline. I have also cut out a piece of brown paper and a star from yellow glitter sheet. Glue the pieces as shown. Next I am writing Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year inside the card. Now to decorate the card, I am using these small stickers. You can see how beautiful our card is now looking. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.